what's up and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really well and you guys are safe, secure and healthy and doing some productive stuffs out there. Now in today's video I will be reviewing this brand name Open Secret. Now they mainly specialize in cookies and they have 3 varieties, and today I have picked up the Choco Almond Nutty cookies. So let's just have a brief description of the packaging and all of it, and then we will jump into the tasting session. Now as you can see that the packaging is quite nice. It is in a beautiful small box. Now as you can see that it has no maida added and it is protein and fiber packed. So it is you can say that what they claim that it is a perfect tiffin snack. Now the price of this box is 35 rupees, where you get 2 cookies, and as I have told you that there are 3 varieties: cocoa almond, peanut butter and white choco cashew. So I will be definitely reviewing the other 2 products. Now they contain 40 to 50% nuts, so which is a great thing, and they use dark compound chocolate, and all the ingredients are mentioned here and all the nutritional informations are mentioned here. So that's that. Now I love the box. It comes in a very cute maroon, violetish maroon box, which is quite appealing. I love the color coordination of it. So let's just open the packaging, and of course it is vegetarian, so people who are vegetarian, you can definitely consume it. So let's just open it. So what is written here?
Eating almonds, asking more questions.
Oh wow, this almost looks like an open book. Love the detailing of the packaging. I mean the small details that they put into, but at the same time I think they might have incurred a bit of wastage because too much is going into it. So nevertheless, let's just see the individual packaging. So this is how the individual packaging looks like. From the feel of it, I think the cookie is quite small. So let's open it. Okay, this is quite small, you guys. I mean the cookie is really small. Can you see it? It's so small. I just hope it tastes nice. Now I can see there are almonds, there is drizzle of dark chocolate, some more, I don't know what it is, but let's have a taste of it. It kind of resembles like sappy, that caramelized nutty slabs that we get. Here there is an addition of drizzled dark chocolate, but let's have a taste of it. To be honest with you guys, it exactly tastes like sappy, or that caramelized nut slabs that I'm talking about. There is no basic difference in this one. It tastes exactly same, except though the sappy contains peanuts, and here it has almonds and some peanuts and rice crisps. So I'm not getting the honey flavor that they have mentioned here, but I am definitely getting the almond and peanut flavor and the rice crisps. It is not making any such difference, and you're getting these 2 cookies at a price of 35 rupees, which I think is a bit expensive. I mean, if you want to have it with almonds, then giving 35 rupees for 2 small cookies, I don't think it is justified. At least according to me, it is not justified, and you actually cannot get that dark chocolatey intensity. All you can get is that sugary caramelized flavor and the flavors of the nuts. Pieces of cookies of this size will not suffice your hunger. I mean, I'm not talking about that breakfast, lunch, dinner hunger, but that small, I think it will suffice that that 4 p.m. or 3:30 p.m. wala sweet cravings, or that small, really small hunger pangs like that you get just before dinner. So it is appropriate for that and not for tiffin snack as they are saying. Apart from that, if I come to the packaging is good, but what I felt is that they have overdone with the packaging, and the cookie is really small, though they have almonds and lot of things, but I feel that, you know, giving 35 rupees for 2 small cookies is a bit too much, a bit expensive for me. But yeah, if you are a, you know, nut lover and you find this, I'm not saying that it is not tasty, it is quite tasty, but for the price it is a bit expensive for me. Well, it is kind of suitable for traveling, like if you are traveling for say 4 to 5 hours and you need some snack to indulge into, then you can buy this one. And yes, another thing is that it melts really fast. So if you are traveling and you are going to a hotter place, or if the car or the vehicle is not, you know, backed up with an air conditioner, then don't keep it, it will melt away. Like, see, it is melting. So guys, I hope you like the video. Give a thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the notification bell. If you want me to try any product, then let me know in the comment section below. I will definitely try to give my honest views on it. I will be seeing you in my next video. Till then, tata bye bye guys. Love you.